Good morning, traders. Welcome to the Traders Lab. I'm your host, Tom B. Can I please get a screen and audio check in YouTube in the Bookmap Discord Trader Lab community? Thanks, everybody. Well, good morning. Welcome to the Traders Lab. I'm your host, Tom B. Thanks for visiting the lab today. We've got a lot to go over. It's quite an interesting day, a lot of opportunity, and of course, with opportunity comes risk. However, if you're in the Bookmap Discord Trader Lab community and you are building out a structured and vetted trade plan, there was a lot of opportunity. I'm going to review some of these trades. I'm also going to tell you the rationale behind them. The thing about the Trader Lab, so you understand, it's a group of like-minded traders who have come together to leverage their collective experience, and it is based on structured trades that I've shared with the Trader Lab community. The idea of the Trader Lab community is to leverage the experience of different traders with different experience and different time in. There's not necessarily a right way to trade, but I think as retail traders, and I've been on both sides as a professional and also out here with you, there's a lot of things that many retail traders do which are not in alignment with what the actual business of trading is, at least in my opinion. So how do we differentiate between the business we're in and what we imagine it to be? That's what Trader Lab is. Help you understand the business, help you understand what differentiates traders that can actually sustain themselves and potentially build a business here, and also what are the differences in the sense of what typical retail traders do and why their success rate is so poor. And that doesn't mean, of course, that you'll be successful, because there's a lot of elements, but it's probably not as mysterious as you think it is. It's actually somewhat formulaic. So if you're interested in Trader Lab, there's an open invitation and there is no cost to come to and become part of the Bookmap Discord Trader Lab community. And there is not only 60 PDFs of these structured trades that you can download and reverse engineer, not only the community, but also a library of webinars so you could see this process over and over and over again in different fractals or time frames. Some of these are up to 5 hours long almost of real-time narration. So there's something for everybody. So again, thank you for visiting Trader Lab. Let's get on with it. And I only have a brief amount of time, so I'm going to go as quickly as I can. And if you want more information and to get more detail, I am posting regularly in the Bookmap Discord Trader Lab community as well as everybody else. And if I have time, I'll just give you a quick peek at some of that. General disclosure, all Bookmap Ltd materials, information, and presentations are for educational purposes only and should not be considered specific investment advice or recommendations. Risk disclosure: trading futures, equities, and digital currencies involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future results. Please remember, this is not a trade calling room. If we get into real time, we'll talk. Otherwise, you can come to the Bookmap Discord Trader Lab community, and there's loads of streams with real-time narration that you can download, take a look, and watch at no cost. Also, I want to remind you all, I'm streaming from Costa Rica. We have a very flimsy infrastructure here in the jungle, so things happen and for no reason. So if I drop out and you're in YouTube, please be advised I will return, as MacArthur said in the Philippines. But might take up to 5 minutes and a new link will pop and we will continue along. So please give a thumb up, smash the like button, it helps the stream, and thanks again for visiting a Trader Lab. Now I'm going to show you guys a higher time frame perspective, and it's very important that you understand the conditions